Right, and the day has arrived when this happens. There's nothing there. Yes, today, now I'm going home, but today at, oh, this is what we did basically. We grabbed, as you can see that, yeah, is ready to go on that. We got Ricky's trailer, drove it around with the Jeep, backed it up. I couldn't film all this, of course, because I was the only one there with Roy. I put the arms, we put them under the handles of the tub, lifted the whole tub up, removed the jib, yeah, drove the trailer under it, lowered the tub onto the trailer, as you can see it, with some pillows and pieces of foam, like that. And then very slowly, and in 4x4, drove it, crawled it round and in here. Well, not, we didn't, as you can see, that it's looking the way it should look. So I basically unhooked it there and turned it around and just pulled it in. But yeah, and tonight, James and Ben, who still doesn't know that he's coming, we're gonna thread that through this and through these onto the chassis. Let's hope it works. See you soon, mates. See you later. And that's the tank ready to go into. And that's the axe and the spade, or the shovel, that that I sprayed. And it's time for me to go home. I'm coming back later anyway. See you soon, mates. Beautiful view. Only it started raining.